The Real One Team.
Bring your model to life at mcvproducts.com. All right, it's time to get back to business. We got another grand finale to cover tonight, and this is for the Trumpeter 1964 Ford Falcon Futura drop top. Right now, you see me work on the interior. That interior color is a pearl white. Simple paint, folk art, acrylic paint, sprayed at 25 psi in my Black Widow airbrush. Good look at that engine. It's in the engine bay, ready to go. Now I'm about to take care of some flocking. Adding my water to my Mod Podge. That's matte Mod Podge to keep that on the reflection. Get it to the consistency that I want. We're ready for the embossing powder. And this is silver. And I would stack weight on here and let it sit up at least 4 hours, normally overnight. And a big shout out to Leon over there at Model Car 1589. This is his group build, the Lowrider 1589 group build. Salute, brother. All about that weight. Now I'm going to use some slick decals. I'm adding some dials in here, my own custom dials. They're installed on the sides. This is UV resin from my Less Resin kit. And you can find that Less Resin kit on Amazon.com. Worth its weight in gold. It's 2.5 minutes. And it's ready to go. As you can see, I spent a lot of time on my lowriders when it comes to the interior. But the results speak for themselves. Check out these cool door panels. Even got the door locks on them. And that pearl white looks amazing. Now I'm adding some bare metal foil to those door panels. It's time to install that firewall. Yeah, we cooking with Crisco. Love that embossing powder. And that engine, phenomenal. And I gotta bring out my favorite pedals by MCV Products. I love these things. See there? Okay, I'm installing the factory master cylinder. I might have to switch that one out. Finishing off the suspension. The interior is going together like a breeze. This kit has a lot of attachments when it comes to putting these parts together. It makes sense, since so many of these parts are broken down in this kit. You putting everything together in here. And this is ribbon I bought at Michael's. These are going to be for my custom seat belts. Nice silver color. And the buckles, they're going to be from Go for Racing from mcvproducts.com. I gotta find another set of these tweezers. I forgot where I got them from, but they come in very handy. Yeah, I'm liking what I'm seeing. This simple gloss paint, gloss white from Testers to make that cue ball shifter. This is my super coil. Also notice I switched out that master cylinder. That's a Willwood master cylinder from BCG Resins. I think it looks much better in there. That's the factory air breather. I just found the right red to paint that can-in air filter in there. I believe that's some type of berry color. Again, craft paint. I got my fuzzy dice. I can finally use them. These fuzzy dice are from STS Decals. Super easy install over the rear view mirror. And I use Mod Podge to install that mirror with the dice. I'm gonna do the same thing for the glass. She's coming together real nicely. As you can see, I got the bare metal foil already added on. Just took my time, piece by piece. That's how I love to do the bare metal foil. And as you can see, we hit our crucial point, the final assembly. Speed it up just a little bit. We also took care of the glass and the convertible top. I'm gonna keep that top drop though. That's Gorilla mounting putty. It's not going anywhere. And that's why I put so much work on the interior, because that top's gonna stay dropped. I use panel line accent to take care of that grill. And the headlights were installed with Mod Podge as well. And that's Tamiya Clear Orange for those parking lights. Now I love this particular brake set from Go for Racing. When you have a set of wheels like this that requires a thin brake, these are the sets I like to use. I painted that caliper. That's a craft paint blue. And these brakes are real metal, so they're going to be perfect for mounting these wheels. I got my good old trusted Gorilla Super Glue for mounting the wheels. I want it slammed in the front, so I'm using part of the tree to help me with that. I just created a simple mounting bracket out of it. Because of that mounting bracket, I'm able to get this front end pretty low. Installing my knockoffs. That's a beautiful set of Daytons on here. Love that stance. Absolutely love it. And I added a couple of decals. They're so small you can barely see them. The side view mirrors were pretty easy to install, surprisingly. I love when the kits come with an antenna. I'm going to install them every single time. Got that custom tag, OTG. And she's good to go, ladies and gentlemen. I love how this car turned out. Definitely exceeded my expectations. The Trumpeter kit. It had a couple of fitting issues there, especially that engine bay. But all good. Nothing really major to me. You're going to have a little character when you build these cars. No doubt. But the look and the feel that I was trying to achieve with this build, I definitely accomplished that. I really appreciate y'all hanging with me so long on this build. I've had it done for a while. But I feel great about getting the finale done. We about to get cranked up and get some more builds out of here. It's July the 1st, but we got a lot more coming. I hope you enjoy the rest of the car show. And until next time, let's get to building one team. And before you get out of here, don't forget to grab your copy of Master Builder, creating the ultimate model with every build. Link in the description box.